Hi, this is Lord Beard. Today I'm gonna have a little Nerf review, but it's something that a lot of people also already reviewed because it's a vintage blaster. And I went into an old toy store today, and I found this. This is a Koosh Tornado X2, and of course, because it's an X2, I got two. And these are kind of brand new. They're still in the boxes. They're kind of scruffed up. And I'm gonna unbox one of them because I want to see how they work. And even though they can sell for a bit, this one's package is really ragged up. So I'm gonna unbox it. And of course, for that, we could use something sensible, like a pair of nail clippers, but no, I'm gonna use this. Of course, cut away from yourself. That's 18-year-old plastic. Okay, this is kind of awkward in the hand. This top is kind of thick here, and this is a bit too short, and this is kind of in the way. You can see, spreads out your hand. Trigger is kind of neat. It's a gray trigger. This is the loading port. This is the cocking piece. Now let's see how we get these out. It's crackling. The funny thing about this was imported by Hasbro Israel. Ooh. And instructions, you gotta say, please read carefully. And this is a refill order form. I wonder if it still works. And of course, now these discs are kind of rare. There's 4 of these. If there's any nice way of opening it. No. You can see this was out in the sun. This was hidden. Much nicer. Clean. Color's good. So these are just like, ooh, nice. These have a little wing shape because they're much thinner on this side than on this side. And this is what makes them fly that well. You have little arrows over here. Show you how to put them in. Rubbery smell. And you, I guess, load them in like this. Okay, I think that's in. Oh, nice. Very strong. And okay, it flies. Maybe first do this. Ah. And then slide it back. Sure. I did it wrong. Maybe first put it on. Maybe I should read the instructions first. Very nice, crisp return spring, and you feel it. It really doesn't hurt because it's such a wide surface area. This whole area here, you feel it, but pretty good. And I've heard these fly quite well. I have to check this out as well and test it. Very nice. So yeah, this is our beer signing off with the Vortex Tornado X2. See you soon.